Here's a quick word workflow for a thesis introduction. Open with context, narrow to your topic, and end with one thesis statement. By the end, you'll have a simple three-part intro you can draft directly in Word. First, open a blank document and type your working title at the top. Use the Home tab for basic formatting, then type a working title so your introduction stays focused on one research question. Next, write 2 or 3 sentences of background context for the topic. Keep the first lines broad, then narrow toward your specific argument. That transition makes the introduction feel purposeful. Finish with one thesis sentence that names your claim and direction. If you're citing sources, the References tab keeps that part organized. Your thesis sentence should stay short, specific, and debatable. A quick revision trick: use Ctrl-A to select everything before tightening your wording. One useful trick: draft the thesis last. After the background is clear, it's easier to make your claim precise. GenText can help with citations, paraphrasing, and your bibliography while you draft the paper. If you're writing a paper, GenText helps with citations and bibliography inside.